Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to talk about how we can calculate percentages in Microsoft Excel. So for the purpose of this tutorial I have created a small table right here where we have investments, we have profits, and here we are going to calculate the profit, the percentage of profit that will be made. So how exactly can we calculate the percentage of profit? So it's pretty simple. To calculate the percentage of how much profit we have made on our investment, we simply have to divide the profit by the investment. So in this case, how exactly are we going to do this? So we're simply going to write down our equal sign, and we want to divide the value that is inside of this cell by the value that is inside of this cell right here. Once we click on enter, as you can see here, we don't have a percentage that appears. What we need to do now, we need to change the type of text that we are going to have here. So we can go there, the format. We can go there and we can select the format that we want. So we have fractions, we have time, dates, we have percentages as well. You can find it here and you can find it here as well. So you simply click on percentage. And here, as you can see, you will have your percentage sign that will appear. So we know in our first example that we have made 20% of profit because we made $200 of profit on a $1,000 investment. Now let's go on our example number 2. So in this example, we have lost $2,300 because there is a little minus sign right here. So we invested $5,000 and we have lost $2,300. Once again, we are going to do the same calculation. So we'll just write down our equal sign. And here we're going to divide our profits by our investment. And here we are going to have, once again, a number like this one. We are going to generate our percentages. And here we know that we have lost 46% of our investment. Finally, the last number that we have, our last investment. So we made a $10,000 investment and we made $11,000 of profit. So we made a big amount of money on a $10,000 investment. So in this case, it's greater than 100%. So what is the profit that we have made? Once again, it's gonna be the same calculation. So we're gonna divide our profits by our investment, and here simply add the percentage sign, and we know that we have made 110% of profit on our last investment. So this is how you can calculate the percentages inside of Microsoft Excel. So once again, if you have found value in this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.